Hey my loves, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a summer makeup look. If you have oily skin or if you're prone to sweating when it's really hot, this is for you. You can still look beat and not sweat, okay? So yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this makeup look, keep on watching, and also don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. So I like to use witch hazel on my face before I apply makeup because I feel like it gets that excess oil off of my skin. Next, I'm going to prime my face, and I'm also using a mattifying primer just so that everything is matte and set, but I'm using this just so that the makeup can stick and stay all day. So I saw someone do this trick where they use Airspun or like any loose powder on your face before applying foundation, and I was a little nervous because I'm like I might like look ghostly, but y'all, this really works. Like just a little bit. Don't like set your face as if you're baking, just kind of like dust it all over, and I promise you, you will not drop like a single ounce of sweat. So I'm using the Fenty Beauty matte foundation, and this one, like, it gets matte so fast, so I'll be having to blend it in like real quick. But this is also a really good foundation to use for this type of look because this, even without the powder trick, this like does not go anywhere. Like, it will stay matte like forever. Make sure you get your chin, ladies. You're not trying to have your neck look a whole different color, okay? So next I'm going to do my eyebrows, and I did this after foundation just because I don't know, I like how it looks like after you put the foundation on, but I'm not gonna go too into depth about what I'm doing because I mean I've done this 1,000 times before, and I also have a tutorial on my channel, so go check that out. So then I'm going to take that same concealer that I use under my eyebrows and use that to highlight under my eyes a bit. And then I think I put some on the tip of my nose, a little bit on my forehead, and just kind of brighten the inner part of my face. Just a tad, not too much. So then I'm taking that same Airspun powder again, and I'm just going to use this to set the under eye area very lightly, and then I'm going to brush it off like immediately after I do this. So I'm gonna do a little bit of a contour. So I'm taking this middle shade in this palette and just going underneath my cheekbones and along my forehead just to give myself some definition. Can't forget about the blush. It really adds, like, I don't know, the blush just does something. It just adds that pop of bam, like, just, I don't even know, but it really warms up the face and it adds such a cute glow. You need setting spray, okay? So I'm using this NYX mattifying setting spray and using this to set everything.
Huh?
Y'all, so these lashes, I didn't realize until like I just looked. Well, I realized when I bought them, like when I came home, that they're pre-cut. So which means I have to put them on separately, like individuals, but they're not individuals. So this is what I bought with my dumb ass. Like I was just rushing, y'all. This glue is so little. It's so cute. Look how little this is. Ignore me, I'm a weirdo. Let's try this and see. I don't know how this works. Is that how you do it? Okay. Okay. I did it, y'all. I put it underneath my eyelash. Okay, so like the lashes are on, but we have a problem. I can't see out this eye. Like my eye is super cloudy because the lashes are, the glue is like all in my eye. Do y'all see that? Oh my god. I think we're good. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and also hope that this has helped you. You feel me? If you want to try it out and see how you like it, let me know. I really want to upload once a week, but that's really hard to do when I really have no ideas. If you guys have any requests, ideas, video concerns, just anything that I can post and upload for you, post and upload is the same thing. Record and post for you. Let me know in the comments below, because I really don't know what to upload at this point. Yeah. Alright, you guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.